Alright, so you are welcome once again. Let's take another example to make it much easier for you. Okay, example number 2. We have y is equals to x, open bracket, x minus 2. Again, we are going to find the roots of this equation, meaning we are going to find the values for x1 and x2. And if you remember, I said what we'll do is that we are going to equate them to 0, right? So x minus 2 is all equals to 0. That means that my x is equals to 0. And my x minus 2 is equals to 0. This means that x is equals to 2 because if I take minus 2 to the other side, I have my x to be equals to 2. So it means my x1 is 0. Let me write that here so we can come back to it. x1 is y. So sorry, just up. So now x1 and x2 is 2. x1 is 0 and x2 is 2. So we have gotten the two values. So the next thing we do, as you can, no, it is 2, not 0, it's 2. The next thing we are going to do, as you can guess, is to find the vertex. So now the vertex will be 2 plus 0 divided by 2. I mean the x value. So let me say 2 plus 0 divided by 2. That's going to give you 2 over 2, which is 1. Right? So this is equals to 1. Beautiful. Now we have our x1 and x2. Now for this one, we'll take 1 back into the equation. Remember I told you, we need to get for, if you are looking for the vertex, you need the value for x and y. This is for x. So we take this answer back into this equation to get for y. If I do that here, it means that my y will be equals to, I hope you get that clearly. Now I have x, so I have 1 outside the bracket because I'm changing all the x to 1. I have x again, 1 inside the bracket minus 2. 1 negative 2 is negative 1. Multiplied by 1, everything will be minus 1. So it means that my vertex V is equals to, the x value is 1, as you can see here, comma, the y value is minus 1. Beautiful. Now we have these two information and we are going to use them to sketch the graph. Now we have x1 0, x2 2, and we have the vertex to be 1 comma minus 1. So let me draw that. Now we can draw a graph here. We have more space here. So now my x1 is what? Is 0. So this is the point for 0. And my x2 is 2. This is going to be my x2. And my, so this is, okay, let me say this is 1 and this is 2, right? And my vertex is 1 comma minus 1. This is 1 for x. This is minus 1 for y. So this point is, no, not this point. I need to move a bit more. This is 1, this is minus 1. So somewhere here is the point of the turning point for the vertex. Okay, good. So let us sketch the graph. It's going to be something like this. Not too perfect, but it's going to give us something that we need. Yeah, a little bit close. You can see now it is passing through 0, passing through 2, and also it is turning at 1 comma minus 1. This is what you need. Now, finally, there is another equation you need to know. The line of symmetry. If you are looking for the line of symmetry, you can see if I draw a line here, just not too perfect, but it is dividing this into two. You have this part, you have this part. This line is called the line of symmetry. And this line is on 1, meaning the value of x in this vertex. So your equation of line of symmetry, x is equals to 1. This is equation of line of symmetry. This is equation of line of symmetry. So I hope you enjoy that, and I hope you are going to practice other questions on your own so that you can understand it better. I wish you good luck. Thank you.